In the world of gardening, small steps can lead to big results. Today, we're diving into the art of chitting potatoes. This process involves leaving a potato in a cool, dry and dark place, allowing it to sprout from the eyes. Begin by selecting a healthy potato, preferably one with several eyes. Place it in a dark, cool and dry place. A cardboard egg carton works perfectly for this. The potato's eyes will begin to sprout over the course of a few weeks. This is chitting. Now it's time to plant. Dig a trench in a sunny location about 6 inches deep. Lay your chitted potato in the trench, sprouts facing up and cover with soil. Remember, patience is key. Within a few weeks you'll see green shoots emerging from the soil, the first sign of your future potato harvest. And there you have it, the simple yet effective process of chitting and planting potatoes. Happy gardening!